Hello, Mommy. Hi. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, that's awesome. Let's see if you remember the letters. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
Q.
Oh, nice. Very good.
V.
Well done.
Z.
Z.
U.
Keep trying. It's not U. Oh, no. It's okay. It will come back.
W.
W.
O.
Perfect.
C.
It's not C. Keep trying.
C.
No. What letter is this?
R.
R.
P.
Nice.
T. X. N. Y.
Y. Now let's see these two letters.
U.
Keep trying. Majdnem jól mondod. What is it? What is it? Oh, it went by. Elment. Na most segíteni fogok. Milyen betű ez? Angolul. You. You. Rendben van, ezt mondjad? You. You. Can you say it? You?
U.
And S.
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 Very good. Well done, well done.
Teacher's helper.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
It's a crayon.
No, it's a pencil.
Where's my crayon?
Here it is.
Ah, thanks. It's a crayon. It's a table.
Yes! It's a table!
Where's my bag?
Here it is.
Ah, thanks. Phew. Where's my chair?
Here it is. It's a chair.
Yes, it's a chair. Thank you.
Let's look at the first picture. Please circle the pencil. Find the pencil, circle it for me. Where's the pencil? Oh, keep trying. That's not the pencil. Very good. What do you say? Here?
Here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Now, where is the crayon? Where is the crayon? Look at picture number 2 and circle it. What do you say?
Here is it.
Here. Nézd csak, itt van, ide leírtam. Mondj csak újra. Here.
It is.
Here it is. Here it is.
Here it is.
Most egy picit gyorsabban. Let's do it faster. Here it is.
Here it is.
Well done. Nagyon ügyes voltál. Okay, where is the table? Where is the table? What do you say?
Here it is.
Look at picture number 4. Where's the bag?
Here it is.
Very good. And let's do one more picture. Where is the chair? Chair. Mit is jelent a chair?
Sit.
Igen. Where's the chair?
Here it is.
Very good job. Nagyon ügyes voltál. What animals can you see in the picture? I can see. I can see.
I can see.
No, lássam, tudod ezeket az állatokat angolul? Look at this one. What is this? Magyarul?
Nyuszi.
Rabbit. Okay. A nyuszinak úgy mondjuk, hogy rabbit. Na, akkor gyere mondjuk. I can see a rabbit.
I can see a rabbit.
What else? What is this? This one. Magyarul mond.
Medve.
Bear.
Bear.
I can see a rabbit, a bear.
I can see a rabbit, a bear.
Let's see the next. What can you see here? What is this? Madárnak hogy mondják? B,
Bird.
bird, ugye? Bird. Madár. Oh, igen. És a mókusnak? Squirrel. Let's say. And a squirrel.
Squirrel.
Mhm.
I can see rabbit.
A rabbit.
A bat. A bird.
Bird.
And a
Squirrel.
squirrel.
Squirrel. Mhm. Very good job, Vanessa.
It's a pencil.
Nice.
It's a crayon.
Well done.
It's a chair.
Nice. And the first one. This one as well. Ezt is mondd el.
It's a bag.
Well done. Very, very, very good job.